नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एग्जिट क्लासेस में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.3 quadratic equation completing the square method. Okay, so let's start from first problem. X square plus x plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the first problem. There are two methods for each problem. We are going to solve the problem by both methods. Okay, so first is term to be added. Okay, 1 half coefficient of x complete bracket square. So you have to get this 1 half into 1. What is the coefficient of x? It is x, so there is 1. Okay, there is no number, so there is 1. So 1 half into 1 bracket square, it is 1 upon 4. Okay, and here is minus 20. Sorry, this is not plus, this is minus 20. Okay, I'm just rearranging this. This is minus 20. Okay, okay, now see that. So therefore this you have to add, therefore x square plus x, I'm rearranging this. 20 I'm taking on RHS, therefore x square plus x plus 1 upon 4, 20 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, the term to be added on both sides. Don't forget this, I have taken on the RHS only, then added. Okay, therefore I will get x plus 1 half bracket square. Okay, this, okay, x square, x plus 1 half, you have to take the square root of this, take the bracket, do the square. Okay, and this is 80 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, therefore x plus 1 half bracket square is equal to 81 upon 4. Okay, now one thing you have to do, that you have to taking by taking square root on both sides. Okay, therefore x plus 1 half is equal to plus minus. Okay, 9 is square root of this and 2 is over. By taking square root on both sides, by taking square roots on both these sides. Okay, so you have to do this. Okay, now therefore you will get x is equal to, okay, first you take plus 9 upon 2 minus 1 half, this plus this will be minus, or okay, x is equal to minus 9 upon 2 minus 1 half. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 8 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 10 upon 2 minus 9 minus 1 plus, and 2 is 0. Okay, therefore x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, this is the first way you have to solve this equation by completing the square method. You have to use this type of condition, this type of steps. Okay, in this case आपको इस तरह की स्टेप्स यूज करनी है। यहाँ पे आपको इसका जो नंबर मिलेगा उसको दोनों साइड में ऐड करना है. This side number you have to take on RHS and then do the complete process. You will get this. Okay, so this is the first, and then come to the second. Okay, now in this case, okay, you have to take x square plus x plus k is equal to x plus a square. Okay, therefore alternate, therefore x square, okay, plus x plus k is equal to x plus a bracket square. Okay, there is plus sign, that's why I take x plus a square. If it is minus, then take minus x minus a square. Okay, now do this. Therefore this term is remaining as it is, don't forget. Okay, x square plus x plus k is equal to first number square plus 2 ax plus second number square. Okay, then comparing, okay, LHS and RHS. Okay, RHS. Okay, comparing LHS and RHS of equation. Okay, so you'll get what you'll get now. See that, then you'll get this is 1, so this is 2a. Okay, therefore 1 is equal to 2a, and okay, second k is equal to a square. Okay, k is equal to a square. Okay, you'll get this. Okay, you have to just take this plus k. This is formula, actually you have to use formula. Okay, this is alternate method. Okay, therefore a is equal to 1 half, therefore k is equal to a square, therefore k 1 half square, therefore k is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, now this is the term to be added. Okay, on both sides same way you have to do this. Okay, therefore x square plus x, I'm taking this, plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 20 plus 1 upon 4. Rest all is same. Rest all is same. Don't forget. Rest all things are same. Okay. Therefore, x plus 1 half bracket square. It is 81 upon 9. By taking square root on both sides, 81 upon 4. Okay. Therefore, x plus 1 half is equal to plus minus 9 upon 4. By taking square roots on both sides, taking square roots on both these sides. Okay, So do this. So you'll get this. Okay, so x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 half, or x is equal to minus 9 upon 2 minus 1 half. Okay, therefore x is equal to 8 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 10 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so these are the square roots, or these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, जनरली बोथ मेथड्स आर सेम, दोनों के दोनों मेथड्स बहुत इजी है. आपको ये मेथड से इस तरह से करना है, टर्म टू बी एडेड वन हाफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर x रहेगा तो x, y रहेगा तो y. डू this number you have to take on RHS, then you have to add that term on both sides. Here is also x square plus x plus k, and here x plus a bracket square. If it is plus and if it is minus x minus a bracket square. Okay, then compare the LHS and RHS of equation, you will get this, and this is known as term to be added on both sides. Add this term, you will get your solution. Okay, so this is first problem we have solved. Now we are going to solve second problem. Okay, so we'll solve the second problem. In this problem, x square plus 2x minus 5, x square plus 2x minus 5, x square plus 2x is remaining as it is plus k, and this formula will remain as it is. What we'll solve first this step. Okay, term to be added, 1 half coefficient of x. Okay, so what is 1 half coefficient of x is 2, so into 2 and bracket square it is 1 square, so it is 1. Okay, and now first we'll solve this. Okay, therefore x square plus 2x plus 1, and this 5 I will take this side, 5 plus 1. Okay, this minus will be plus. Okay, so now I will get x plus 1 bracket square, and here is 6. Okay, so by taking square root on both sides, so I'll get x plus 1 and plus minus root 6. Okay, by taking square root, by taking square roots on both these sides, you write complete statement, don't write in short. Okay, I'm just writing because I'm writing on board. Okay, therefore x is equal to plus minus root 6 minus 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to root 6 minus 1, or x is equal to minus root 6 minus 1 upon nothing. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, this is second. Okay, so this is second, this is first. Therefore root 6 minus 1 or minus root 6 minus 1 are roots of given quadratic, equation. Okay, quadratic equation. Okay, you have to write like this. This is first. Okay, you'll get the same things on both sides, don't forget. Okay, this is your first. Come to the second side. So comparing LHS and RHS of equation, there is 2 and there is 2a, therefore 2 is equal to 2a, and okay, k is equal to a square. Okay, therefore I will get here a is equal to 1, therefore k is equal to 1 square, therefore k is equal to 1. Okay, k is the term to be added on both sides. Therefore x square plus 2x plus 1, rest all is same, minus 5 will be plus. Okay, therefore I will get x plus 1 bracket square. You don't forget this, and this is 6. Okay, this and this last term. Yeah, by taking square roots on both sides, x plus 1 is equal to plus minus root 6. By taking square roots on both these sides. Okay, you have to write like this. Write very accurately by taking square roots. Okay, by taking square roots on both the sides. Okay, you get this. Okay, after getting this, therefore x is equal to plus minus, okay, is equal to plus minus root 6 and minus 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to root 6 minus 1, or x is equal to minus root minus 1. Okay, therefore root 6 minus 1 and minus root 6 minus 1 are roots of given quadratic equation, okay, quadratic equation. So you have to solve like this. Okay, you'll get both. Generally both methods are equal, means approximately same. Here we use the 1 half coefficient of x, y, whatever the alphabets used in this case, Okay, and bracket square, here we use k as the factor which is the term to be added on both sides. Okay, and both methods have slightly different ways. Okay, so this is the second problem we have solved in this way. Okay, and it is very easy, you can easily understood. Okay, and now we're going to solve the third problem of this practice set 2.3. Okay, so we'll solve the third problem. In this problem, m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3, m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you know that term to be added, is equal to 1 half coefficient of m. Okay, bracket square, here is m, so bracket square m. Okay, you have to take m, 1 half into what is minus 5. Okay, and then do the bracket square. I'm taking this bracket, so it is 25 upon 4. Okay, if you do it, 25 upon 4. Okay, therefore I will add this m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 is equal to minus 325 upon 4. Okay, then I know that m minus, because minus is here, don't forget. Okay, 5 upon 2 bracket square. Okay, because this is the combination of this. Okay, and is equal to, this is minus 12. Okay, plus 25 upon 4. Okay, so therefore m minus 5 upon 2 bracket square is equal to, this is 13 by 4. Okay, so by taking square root on both sides, 5 upon 2. Okay, plus minus root 13 upon 2. Okay, by taking square root on both sides, by taking, don't forget to write square roots on both these sides. Okay, so you'll get this. Therefore m is equal to plus minus root 13 upon 2, and this is plus 5 upon 2. Okay, take on the RHS. Therefore m is equal to root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, therefore m is equal to root 13 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus root 13 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, so these are these roots of the given quadratic equation. You have to write in words. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. Just do the carefully this calculation, just don't make any mistake. Okay, so this is the first method. Now come to the second. Okay, therefore I will write m square minus 5m plus k is equal to x minus a bracket square, because minus sign is there. Okay, so x minus a plus, take plus sign. Okay, therefore m square minus 5m plus k is the term to be added on both sides, x square minus 2x plus a square. Okay, therefore by comparing LHS and RHS of equation. Okay, so compare LHS and RHS, you'll get minus 5 is equal to minus 2a, and k is equal to a square. Okay, so a is equal to 5 upon 2, therefore k is equal to 5 upon 2 bracket square, so it is 25 upon 4. Okay, so term to be added on both sides is same. Okay, now rest method is same. Okay, therefore m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4. Okay, is equal to minus 325 upon 4. Okay, so do the calculation. M minus 5 upon 2 bracket square is equal to 12 upon, no, 13 upon 4. We have did this 13 upon 2. Okay, 13 upon 4. So by taking square root on both sides, m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to plus minus root 13 upon 2. Okay, therefore m is equal to plus minus root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Therefore m is equal to root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, therefore m is equal to root 13 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus root 13 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, so again you will get the same solution but slightly different method. Okay, so either you use this or use this. Okay, no problem. Okay, just you have to follow these steps. If you do the correct step you will get correct solution. Okay, there is nothing tough, just follow this step and solve this. Okay, this is the problem number 3, we have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth problem. This problem 9y square minus 12y plus 2, 9y square minus 12y plus 2. Okay, so you have to just remove this 9 from the equation. So you have to divide by 9 to the equation. Okay, divide by 9. Dividing or divide by 9. Okay, dividing above equation by 9. Okay, we get. Okay, same dividing above equation by 9, we get dividing above equation by 9, we get. First we will divide this and first we will operate the next equation. Okay, therefore y square minus 12 upon 9 y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Therefore y square minus 12 upon 9 y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. So rearrange this. Okay, it will be y square. Okay, now there will be minus 4 by 3y. Okay, and this will be minus 2 upon 9 on the edges. Okay, therefore y square here will be minus 4 upon 3y and minus 2 upon 9. Okay, now solve this. Okay, now obtaining this term to be added, okay, I'm writing in is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of y. Okay, and bracket square, so it is 1/2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3. Okay, and the bracket square, so this is minus 4 and this is 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, so I will get minus 2 by 3 bracket square, right? Okay, so it is 4 upon 9. Okay, same thing I will get there, but I will solve this first. Okay, therefore y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 is equal to minus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Okay, so I got this. Okay, so y minus, okay, 2 by 3 bracket square, you have to take square root of this, is equal to this common, so minus 2 plus 2, it is 2 upon 9. Okay, you do this minus 2 plus 4 and this is common. Okay, so you get this. Once you get this, okay, by taking square root on both sides, okay, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 upon 3. Okay, by taking square roots on both sides, taking square roots on both sides. Okay, so you got this. Okay, then solve this will be plus on that side, therefore y is equal to plus minus root 2 divided by 3, and this is plus 2 by 3. Okay, therefore y is equal to root 2 and 2. Okay, 2 plus root 2 once upon 3, 3 will be or. Okay, I am doing directly, you solve it separately. Okay, or okay, it is possible to complete this step here only, so we'll do this. You can now see that, therefore, okay, therefore y is equal to root 2 3 plus 2 3, or y is equal to minus root 2 3 plus 2 3. Okay, therefore y is equal to 2 plus root 2, I am rearranging this, upon 3, or y is equal to 2 minus root 2. Okay, minus root 2 upon 3. Okay, this is the second. Okay, earlier equation also you can rearrange like this. Okay, no problem, no issue. Okay, you have to just concentrate on the step. Okay, now come here, you know that step. Okay, therefore x square plus x, so what is here? Plus x, not it is plus x, y square it is, y square minus 4 by 3 y plus k. Okay, we have to add k is equal to, okay, what, x, so y minus a bracket square. Okay, now solve this. Okay, therefore y square minus 4 by 3y plus k is equal to y square minus 2ay plus a square. Okay, comparing, okay, LHS and RHS of equation, RHS of equation. Okay, so you'll get, you compare this, so you'll get 2a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, 2a is equal to minus 4 by 3, and k is equal to a square. Okay, k is equal to a square, therefore you'll get a is equal to minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3, therefore k is equal to minus 2 by 3 bracket square, so you'll get 4 upon 9. Okay, same thing. Okay, now proceed in the same way. Okay, therefore term same, you have to proceed same. If there is limited space, you have to copy this as it is. Okay, so this part I'm not going to write here, only I'm suggesting you from this. Okay, you have to copy and you have to paste in. Okay, this, okay, this whole part come here. Okay, so rest all things are same, just don't forget. Okay, so ये मैंने यहाँ पे किया, यही आपको यहाँ पे करना है. ओके, यही मैं बता रहा हूँ, और इसी तरह से इसको आगे में सॉल्व कर दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आपको यही सब कॉपी पेस्ट करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. डोंट कीप एनी कंफ्यूजन इन माइंड. ओके, just this step I have written here, you have to just do this step here, and then you have to do like this same thing here. Okay, so you'll get same solution for the problem number 4. Okay, so this is the problem number 4. I'm again repeating the same thing, that you have to copy this first and you have paste here. Okay, you have to do the same process for the remaining problem. Okay, for the alternate method. Okay, so this is problem number 4, we have solved it, and now we're going to solve problem number 5. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 5. In this problem, 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0 is given, so divide by 2. Okay, so y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, because 5 to the 10, divide by 2 throughout the equation, throughout the equation. Okay, or divide throughout the equation by 2. Okay, you write divide by 2 throughout the equation. Okay, so divide by 2. Okay, so same I will write here, therefore y square plus 9 by 2 y plus 5 is equal to 0. Divide the equation by 2 on both sides, both these sides. Okay, you write in your way very accurately. Okay, don't forget, don't write like this, write perfectly. Divide the equation by 2 on both sides. Okay, or divide the equation by 2 on both the sides, right here. Okay, so you get this. Now proceed. Okay, therefore term to be added is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of y, and brackets. Okay, so 1/2 into coefficient of y, 9 by 2 brackets square. Okay, so 9 it is 4. Okay, so it is 81 upon 4. Okay, so you get this. So y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 upon 4 is equal to minus 5. Okay, it is plus, it will be minus 5 plus 81 upon 4. Okay, so this is y plus 9 upon 2 bracket square. Okay, just taking square root, this minus 20, and this will be plus 81 upon 4. Okay, so y plus 9 upon 2 bracket square, this minus 20, this is minus 20 plus 81, it is 61 upon 4. Okay, so we're taking square root on both sides, therefore y plus 9 upon 2 plus minus root 61 upon 2. Okay, so this is the, actually I need 1 second, I'm checking this. Okay, 1 second, there is a mistake, actually it is 16 actually. Okay, because 4 square is 16. So I think how is it possible? This is 16, this is 16, so this will be 9 upon 4. Okay, now we need to change this term. Okay, here, okay, this side. Okay, here will be 4 only, just don't take tension, this will be 4 only. Okay, so minus 80, this 16 5 is a minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 16, so it is plus minus 1 upon 4. Okay, it's okay. Now we'll solve this. Okay, therefore y is equal to plus minus 1 upon 4, and this is minus 9 upon 4. Okay, therefore y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4, or y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 and minus 9 upon 4. Okay, so y is equal to minus 8 upon 4, or y is equal to minus 10 upon 4. Okay, this I'm writing here. So see this, therefore y is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the first, we have solved it, and now come to the second. Okay, therefore y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is equal to y plus a square. Okay, same way you have to do same way. Okay, therefore y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k, here is y square plus 2ay plus a square. Okay, comparing on both sides, comparing LHS and RHS, RHS of equation. Okay, so you'll get, what you will get, 2a is equal to 9 upon 2 and k is equal to a square. Okay, therefore a is equal to 9 upon 4, therefore k is equal to 9 upon 4 bracket square, it is 81 upon 16. Okay, so same thing, now you get same. Okay, therefore you add this, therefore what is this, y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16, okay, is equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. Okay, you have to add this, and from this part, okay, from this part, so you have to just, this part you have to copy here. Okay, this, the same part you have to copy here. Okay, और ये नीचे का पार्ट जो है यहाँ पे भी सेम ही आएगा. ओके, आपको एक बात याद रखनी, खाली ऊपर का जो पार्ट है वो अलग है, यहाँ तक जो स्टेप है वो अलग है, और नीचे की जो स्टेप है आपको सेम स्टेप फॉलो करके सॉल्व करने. ओके, तो आपको यही सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे मिलेगा. ओके, so you do the same thing, you just copy this part here, or you just write the same part here, you will get your solution. Okay, for both methods. Okay, so this is the problem number 5, we have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 6. Okay, so we'll solve the last problem of this practice set, problem number 6. Okay, 5x square plus 4x is equal to 7. Therefore, I will write 5x square minus 4x is equal to 7. Here also 5x square minus 4x is equal to 7. So we have to just remove the 5. Okay, therefore divide by 5. So x square minus 4 by 5x. Okay, and 7 by 5. Okay, divide by 5. Divide by 5. Okay, throughout the equation, throughout the equation. Okay, so you write this, divide by 5 throughout the equation. Therefore x square minus 4 upon 5x, 7 upon 5, divide by 5. Okay, divide by 5 on both the sides, both the sides. of equation. Okay, so you have to write this all things. Okay, now see, they after getting this, okay, आपको एक बार मिल जाता है तो आपको again you have to proceed by same method. Okay, therefore term to be added is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of x and bracket square. Okay, so 1/2, what is the coefficient of x? Minus 4 by 5 bracket square, so it is minus 2 by 5 by divided by, see this 2 and this 2. Okay, so you'll get 4 upon 25. Okay, so term to be added on both sides, 4 upon 25. Okay, so x square minus 4 by 5 x plus 4 upon 25, okay, is equal to 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Okay, so now you have to solve this. Okay, so now do this. Therefore this side x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square. Okay, on this side. Okay, now this will come like this. So 1 upon 5 I will take out of the bracket. So 7 upon 1 and then 4 upon 5. Okay, now do this. So solve this 1 upon 5. So 35 plus 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is 1 upon 5 and I will get 39 upon 5. Okay, so just solve this. Therefore I will get x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square is equal to this 39 upon 25. Okay, you just try to check it. Okay, is it correct or not first? Okay, then you will do this. Okay, because there is no option. Okay, now see this. If you get this, okay, now you have to take square root on both sides. Therefore x minus 2 upon 5 plus minus root 39 divided by 5. Okay, taking square roots on both sides, taking square roots on both these sides. Okay, so you will get this. Once you get this, therefore x is equal to plus minus root 39 divided by 5 and this is plus 2 by 5. Okay, therefore x is equal to, directly you do this, you know now, or 2 plus root 39 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root 39 upon 5. Okay, both are correct. So these are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, you have to write all these things, don't forget. Okay, so proceed by like this. Okay, proceed like this, you solve this. Okay, you'll get this type of solution. Okay, now come to the next method. Okay, therefore I will write that x square minus 4 by 5x plus k is equal to x minus a square. Okay, so x square minus 4 by 5x plus k is equal to x square minus 2ax plus a square. Therefore comparing LHS and RHS of the equation. Okay, once you compare this, you'll get minus 2a is equal to minus 4 by 5 and k is equal to a square. Okay, a square. Okay, therefore write that a is equal to 4 upon 10. Okay, see, minus 2 minus minus get cancelled, so it is 2 upon 5. Therefore k is equal to 2 upon 5 square, it is 4 upon 25. Okay, once you get this same you have to proceed from this. Okay, now see, this part is common. Okay, therefore I'll write the term to be added here. Okay, x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 is equal to 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Okay, so this part you have to copy from this as it is on this side. Okay, so ये आपको मिलेगा इसका solution. Okay, थोड़ा सा changes से दोनों में, there is little change in both the methods. Both methods are very easy, but you need to just concentrate effectively on the concept of the completing the square method. Okay, just take the serious note on all these methods and try to do yourself, do the best practice. You can easily solve such type of problems. Okay, so I think this is the last problem from this practice set. Okay, I think this is last problem. Okay, this is the last problem from the practice set 2.3, and in the next video we'll discuss about the practice set 2.4. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.